Great question. Same thing on the voicemail. Let's say his name is Chip, right? Hey, Chip, it's Ken over here at XYZ calling to see if it makes sense for us to move forward with the AI-based telephony solution there for the call center so we can get your net promoter score from a 7.4 to a 9. But you're like, damn, I don't know that. Figure that one out. By the way, if it is telephony and it helps their net promoter score, go ask what they're measuring for customer. If it's customer experience, they all have these people that get paid too much money to monitor these stupid scores that mean nothing. Offline, I never said that. But find out what their score is, right? Where do you want it to be? Man, I want it to be at 9. Why 9? I get my bonus if we hit 9. Does it make sense to get the telephony project in there so we can get you from 7.5 to 9, helping you get your bonus here ahead of schedule here in 25? So leave that in the voicemail. Leave that in the voicemail. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.